Alright, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, I've been slacking, but we should be back to business, back to building. And I just want to say thank you for the subscribers. Let's keep it rolling, and let's get today's video started. So look at what I got over here. Are y'all ready? Y'all are not ready. I'm looking at it right now, and it's shining. Told you guys you're not ready. So the rear lip is now back from paint. Let's take a look at it. Jeez. It's looking mint. Super clean. Bro, look at the shine. It actually came out super clean. I'm happy with it, and hopefully the paint matches up. So before this lip gets installed, the car does need to be cleaned. So we're gonna head to the car wash and clean the car. Alright, finally gonna install the lip. I'm here with this guy.
What's up? Alright.
And yeah, we're gonna get to work. Okay, so we mounted up the 3M because this lip doesn't fit properly. So let's see how this goes.
Let's get this done.
So to install this lip, you do have to remove the tire so you can have access to drill the bolts on the side. Okay, so both sides are bolted up. And this is the fitment issues. You see the gaps. So that's what the 3M is for. So right now we're getting ready to stick the 3M. Got the red adhesive sticking out. And then we're gonna bolt it up. Easy money. So we're just about done. 3M is sticking. Looks fire. Only problem is we have a gap over here, so it needs to be fixed. And the paint like reshaped the lip, so yeah. So lastly, the brackets, the hardware that it comes with this lip, it doesn't really fit, so you have to figure out your own way. We have to use self-tapping screws right here to bolt up to this plastic part. We got the bolt underneath. So only 2 brackets were able to work. So the last bracket over here, there's no point of using it. There's no room to even mount it. And it won't do anything else to the fitment. So I'm not gonna mount them. So this is the final product. The shop painted this gloss black. I was gonna leave it unpainted, but it looks better nonetheless. I did get my exhaust fixed, but it still hits, so that's another issue. And the third brake light will be done in a future video. So overall, this lip, the fitment is very off. You gotta make it work. You just gotta figure it out. I lied?
Yeah, I gotta figure it out.
Ryan Little.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. More to come. Thanks to Ralph for the help. Cars are looking clean. More to come. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. High Beams Crew, we out. Peace.